I told myself, I told you guys, I told everyone I wasn't going to make this video. But after reading the comments of my videos and of the person we're talking about today, seeing some people that are subscribed here falling for that garbage I just can't. I know by making this video I am just probably giving this person more subscribers and more publicity, even though my channel doesn't carry much weight anyway, but I have to say something. Guys, PC Central giveaways, I hate myself for saying, it's fake. I just have to say this. Now, before you comment, oh, you're just a hater, hear my logic, and if you disagree with it, I fully accept your right to disagree with me, but I'm going to present my logic here. Of course, it gets recommended to me all the time, because, of course, I check my own videos to make sure they've uploaded correctly, so in my history, you see a bunch of my old videos, a lot of them being giveaway videos, not all of them. That's why my channel isn't called Dinky the Sink Giveaways Only. I make other content, too, like this baby. And so I got recommended this video, I want to see, like, okay, is this guy real or not? Because I do like to see. I have actually called out, I did one time think a giveaway channel was fake, then he provided proof that he was real. And I was like, okay, he actually had videos of his subs that would make and show that they received it. And it's like, okay, I believe you. If you're fake, you're trying hard enough that you should be allowed to do it. But this is the point where it's like, I cannot let people fall for this. Guys, you could even watch the most recent video, where basically all he does is on his phone. Here's my basic proof. He claims to buy a $5,000 PC for one of his subscribers. At no point does he even show the PC on camera, like physically, or even proof that he purchased it, that shows it in his cart. He's like, I'm going to pick this guy to build it. None of that. He's recording vertically on a cell phone the entire time. If you have $5,000 to spend on a gaming PC for a person who will never receive it or ever even see the PC, don't you think you would at least step up your quality? Like, I hate to brag, but at least I bought a camera before I started giving away all this stuff. I spent my first money. I didn't go, I'm going to give away a PC. Let me use my iPhone 6. But I still have an iPhone 6. I actually bought a camera, and I don't record vertically because that's stupid. Honestly, that should be enough proof for a lot of people right there. If you're not spending $5,000 on a PC for your channel, and then not buying, and then recording vertically on a phone. That just doesn't happen. It's like when I see someone go like, $10,000 streaming PC giveaway. Also, I stream off of my PS4. I don't even use an Elgato. It doesn't make sense. There is no congruity there. Not only that, you never see people actually receive any computer on that channel. It has even been called out in his comment section multiple times that the people he announced have never even appeared in his comment section. You can look at the people he announces. You'll never find the people. It is completely fake, and you need to stop falling for it. It is horrible. I'm trying to say worse because YouTube will come after my channel and be like, oh, you want monetization? Nope. By the way, I'm still not monetized because YouTube hates me. And I'm guessing that this person probably is monetized using their shady tactics. They probably got their 1,000 subs with their shady tactic. Like, that's the thing. I'm not going to deny the fact that I do shady stuff, but at least I tell you, hey, I'm doing giveaways. I'm doing them for the views. Obviously. I do them for the views, I do them for the likes, I do them for the subs. But at least I actually do them. This person's like, I do it because I love you guys. I never actually give anything away. Like, horrible. Not only are you lying about your motives, you're lying about actually doing them, and it's disgusting. So, if you're subscribed to this person, I'm not going to say unsubscribe now. Actually go through it be skeptical. Go through his videos and see, is this guy actually real? Is he even real? Go through with that, and if you say, oh, you know what? I've seen enough proof this person is real. Fine, you disagree with me. You maybe unsubscribe from me for being toxic. I guess this is kind of toxic. Whatever. If you believe it's real, that's your choice. That's your belief. But if you go through it and see, wow, this guy is fake. Listen, I want you to do that with my channel. If you think I'm fake, I want you to call me out and say, hey, what's the deal with that? And I'll either explain it or be like, I have no clue. But no, I want everyone to have the same skepticism about my channel as they should have with this channel. They shouldn't come to my channel and say, oh, it's fake, and then go to that channel and say, oh, this is definitely real, and vice versa. If they think that's fake, I want to come with the same skepticism they came in that channel, come to mine, and notice the difference. You'll see me. I don't do a giveaway every day. You want to know why? Because I can't afford it. My 4,000 sub giveaway, which I'm actually right now, after I edit and while it's rendering, I'm currently typing in, me and one of my moderators are typing in every single name. We have to do it manually because I don't trust bots to pick out the comments themselves. We have to enter each name manually, but I have a list of every single comment. That's every YouTuber gets a whole list of every comment in order. We have to enter each and every one. Don't worry, we won't miss any because it's very hard. We have, like I said, giant list. So we're manually entering those in to do the giveaway. It's a budget PC. I don't claim to give away. I've never given away a $5,000 PC. I have not. The maximum PC I gave away was my first one that I delivered in person, and I made a video delivering it in person to Connecticut. I still remember the name, George Fancy, of the comment. You can probably find it on the video. There's like 1,000 of them though. Maybe high. It might be the most liked. I don't know. But basically, I delivered a PC, an i7 7700K RX 580, $1,000. Yeah, that's a lot, but if you watch my videos about how I pay for all these giveaways, I've posted a couple how I pay for these giveaways. It explains it there that I had money from Twitch that I'm now using for YouTube, and explains how I got that money from Twitch perfectly. Never seen that kind of thing from someone like PC Central Giveaways. And you should look at these other giveaway channels. I always hold anything that says giveaway in the title, or in like their name of the channel. I instantly think, okay, they're probably fake. Let me watch and make sure. I do not like that. You can't base you won't survive only giveaways. You have to start somewhere else. Like me, if I did only giveaways, I would run out of money so quickly. That's why I do other videos. I do these videos to basically buy time so people will watch my giveaway videos. Right? That's where the new people come in. So a bunch of new people come in, see, oh, giveaway, that's what I searched up. But then maybe 1%, 2% of them even, that come in will see my other videos, watch one and be like, okay, there's something here that I like. Let me stick around. I'm here for the giveaway still, but let me stick around and watch some computer videos. That's kind of my thing. Eventually, I hope to get to a point, well, I don't think I'll ever get here, but I hope to get to a point where I don't have to do giveaways, but I choose to. Right now, I have to in order to keep my channel growing. I want to try to get maybe 10,000 by the end of the year. Not like 2019 year, by like the end of like a school year. So like by summer, like May. So by May I would hope to have like 10,000. Doubt I'll get there, but if I do my usual giveaways, like I said, 4,000 subs was only like, it's a budget build. It's a R5 16 or 2600. I actually have to go and buy it real quick. I'm waiting till I actually know for sure who won, where it's shipping to, what exactly is happening. But it's probably not going to be in a nice case. This is a nice case. It's going to be in a cheaper case, like an MATX case. I'm being completely honest with that. But it works. It is a real PC, and it will work because I built it. So, I want you guys to look at this and think, is this really a real person? And I can't, that's the thing. Should I even do this? Probably not. But I really want to just shed light on what you should be looking for. It's so fake. It is so absolutely fake, at least to me. And if you agree with me, good for you. If you don't, that's your choice. I will not hate you for disagreeing with me. That's the point of democracy. That we're not a democracy, we're a constitutional republic. That's besides the point. That's the point of the world, everyone being different. We're all different. We can all have our own opinions and not hate each other for it. But that's my opinion, and I've kind of backed it up with facts. Just look for yourself. I mean, basically all the proof I needed was you're not buying a $5,000 PC, and recording vertically on a phone. It's just not how it works. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. If you want me to look at more channels, like if you see a channel and you want me to look at it and tell you what I think, I'm not going to say this is fake. To me, it's fake. If you want me to look at more, post them in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.